Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about China importation business trading. So in this tutorial, I will show you on the ultimate guide on how to copy product link on 1688 Taobao or Pinduoduo without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688 Taobao or Pinduoduo or IDoFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China with 1688 or Taobao or Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. The very first app I want to show you here on how to copy product link is 1688 shopping app. So I'm going to simply click on my 1688 shopping app and open it up right here. So here we go. So this is my 1688 shopping app. So I'm going to simply click on that. Then having opened up your 1688 shopping app, so let's say, for instance, I want to copy this particular product link. So I'm going to simply click on the product. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed. So once the product is loaded up like this, next thing we want to do is to simply click on this icon from the top. The next thing we want to do is to click on this icon right here. We have successfully copied the product link. You can see copy. Then we can exit from 1688 shopping app. So I'm going to make use of a notepad to paste the link. So I'm using Easy Note in this tutorial. You can use any type of notes. Then I'll just click on this plus sign right here and I'll paste the link right here. Now what we want to do right here in 1688 app, we need to click on here and we make sure we delete all the Chinese character. Then we have to take our mouse here also and click on here to delete all the Chinese character, and this one here also we need to delete this. And this is the real link to the products that we need on 1688. So let's see how we can copy link on Pinduoduo. So I'm going to head over to my Pinduoduo shopping app right here. This is my Pinduoduo shopping app. So let's say, for instance, I want to copy this product link right here. So I'm going to simply click on the product. And for us to copy this product link, what we need to do is to simply click on this particular icon from the top. Then the next thing we want to do is to simply click on this icon right here. Copy link. Next thing we want to do is to simply head over to my notepad again. And this one here now is going to be Pinduoduo link. So I'm going to click and hold down and paste the link right here. So Pinduoduo link is always long, just like what you see right here. So Pinduoduo link starts from HTTP and end right here. That is for Pinduoduo. Now let's see how we copy link from Taobao. So I'm going to move to the next paragraph. I will call this one Taobao. Taobao link. So let's go. What I'm going to do is to head over to my phone right here and click on my Taobao shopping app. So I'm going to click on Taobao right here. Then I've opened up my Taobao app. So I want to look for a product. Let's say I want to copy this particular product link right here. This product right here. So I want to copy the link. So I will simply click on the product name. Then it's open like this. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on this icon. The next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on this icon right here. copy. Then we can go back to my notepad right here, and this time around I will simply paste the link right here. Now we have Taobao link. So in Taobao link, we need to clear some of the Chinese character right here. Then I have to come down right here and make sure I cancel all the Chinese character. Just like so. So we are left with link. So from the first one here, 1688, Pinduoduo, and Taobao. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply copy product link from 1688, Pinduoduo, and Taobao. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.